Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to uninstall updates on your Windows 11 PC or laptops using PowerShell. So you just need to follow me. So firstly you just need to open PowerShell. For that you just need to left click on your start menu and then type over here PowerShell. Now right click on Windows PowerShell, click on Run as Administrator. After that click on Yes. Once the PowerShell window is showing on your computer, you just need to put some command over here which I'll give you on my video description. So the command is called wmic qfe space list, then brief, then space slash format colon table. So this command will help you to see Windows Update, install Windows Update on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. After that press enter, and as you can see here is the update. So here is the hotfix ID which is KB5026533. Now you just need to put this command which is called wusa space slash uninstall slash KB, then colon, then you just need to put this number, this colon ID, this KB ID over here. So I will copy and paste, and after that press enter. Now it will show you this prompt to uninstall Windows Update. So now you just need to click on yes to uninstall this update. After that you just need to restart and it will uninstall your update on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any queries or question then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.